everyone, welcome to today's video. We're opening up 24 ink t-shirts of the month club. I think the bag's so cute. I feel like they seriously have a theme for all of their shirts, of course, but also with the bags they send them with. So this is obviously a t-shirt of the month club. You can also subscribe to this seasonally. I'm going to link 24 ink down below. They also have a shop, and my cat's rubbing against the tripod like usual. Emmy, you want to say hi? Don't move the camera away. You can't have my attention all the time. But I've been getting this for a while. I think their shirts are great quality, and I love that they're based on a theme. But not only that, you actually fill out a little profile, a quick profile, I should say, to fill out with your interest, what colors you like. And they have some kid subscriptions too, as well as adults, so you can tell them who it's for and what their birthday is, their interests are, all this stuff. Like, it's very personalized. I don't know if you tell them your birthday, but maybe. So let's get this open. I believe this is Valentine's Day themed, so let's see. And I'm gonna try the shirt on too. So I am going to try on the shirt today. Sorry, I think I just got cut off there for a second, but okay. I love how they package everything. Look at this tissue paper. I'm gonna save that. It looks so cute, like there's sequins. Come here, Emmy. Sorry, I just realized I'm probably making a lot of noise here. Do you wanna play with the plastic wrap? I'll watch it. Here. And they give washing instructions too, which is great. And one thing that's super fun is with the theme, they also give facts. So our theme this month is hearts. Well, this paper seems like good quality. I always notice that kind of thing. Valentine's Day is a $14.7 billion industry in the United States. Yeah, it's crazy. I can't remember the fact I heard the other day. I actually played trivia the other night, and there were like Valentine's Day questions throughout it. The first American Valentine was produced in 1834 by New York engraver Robert Elton. Damn, he must be his family. Teachers received the most Valentines. Yes, that was one of the questions. It said list the top 4 groups of people. It was teachers, children, mothers, and wives. Like, I knew kids for sure. I didn't even think teachers. I'm like, duh, because I was thinking kids bring their Valentines to school and all that. But I forgot to mention, you also get, along with your t-shirt, a gift each month. And here is their information. So it's $17.99. And I do have a code. I can't remember exactly what it is, but it'll all be down below. I also have like a little shop they created, so thank you, by the way. You can see all the past shirts I got. And if you guys want to know some of my favorites, I love the black V-neck with like a little pocket with like flowers coming out of it. That's one I probably wear the most. And I love the first one I ever got too. I like all of them, but these are just my favorites that you can find in the shop. It's like talks about oceans or something like that. It's blue. So yeah, with the shirt you get a heart clip. I feel like I'm so off my game because I haven't filmed in like 4 days. I'm sorry guys. And then, oh, cute, the heart clip. Let me show this to you. Let me get out of the bag. I just had the best coffee ever. I had this like almond milk creamer. I'm trying to stop or like lower my dairy intake, but isn't this so cute? Sorry, I just like tasted it in my mouth when I was opening this. I felt the need to tell you. So yeah, you can just, here's a little latch. Ooh, what should I do with this? Should I put it on one of my bags? It's so cute. Now, let's get to the shirt. Yes, the quality is always so nice. I love it. Love. So, like I said, I'll try it on in a minute. And I get a size medium, and it was 100% cotton. So let's put this on. Emmy, look at our Valentine's Day shirt. Valentine's Day is like a week away exactly. What day is it? You know, I have to say every video that time flies. And yeah, it definitely fits true to size. I really like how it fits, actually. I was like, oh my god, is my fly up? I'm notorious for forgetting to do that button. Has my head been out of the frame the whole time? I hope not. But this is really cute and comfy. It's pink. You know, I'm girly, so I love that. And again, if you're not girly, when you fill out your profile, when you subscribe, then you can tell them what colors you like or don't like. Want to say hi? Say happy Valentine's Day. My little booba. One day we're going to take a good selfie. Shh. I don't know why I'm shushing her. It's okay. Say hi. Say hi to everyone. We don't like the light, so there's a light behind the camera because it's gloomy here in Florida today. Isn't it gloomy? Say thank you, 24 Ink, for sending this to us. How cute she is. So I love my shirt. Perfect for this time of year. I don't have too many Valentine's Day shirts, and surprisingly, I don't have too many pink shirts. So I'm like way more into like the comfy aesthetic, like t-shirts and stuff, so this is perfect. So yeah, that's what I have for you guys today. Let me know your thoughts down below. Sorry, I feel like I'm extra scattered today. Maybe I should drink coffee immediately before filming, but whatever. You guys know I'm weird. And yeah, let me know your thoughts. Thank you for being here. If you guys haven't already subscribed, I hope you consider doing so before you go. And by the way, hi, I'm Kitty if you're new, and hi to everyone else. Welcome back. Should have done that in the beginning too. Damn, I'm off my game today. I love you guys. I was about to say maybe I should refilm this, but no, we're not doing that. We're casual here, and we're happy with the shirt, and we don't want to redo this because we're gonna keep rolling. Love you guys. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.